private chef. I have 2 people requesting 2 different things. I got pancakes and scrambled eggs, and I have an omelet. So let's get that ready. I'm gonna start dicing my tomatoes here. Do it in 4s. Then I get that little membrane stuff out. I'm doing this challenge. It's like 75 hard, but it's with my own guidelines. One of my guidelines is to not eat out. The only dreadful thing of that is that I'm the only person who cooks in my house. Diced up. All right, and now my onion. Everybody has their own way of how they cut their onions. This is how I cut mine. I do it in like slits first, and I cut in the middle, and then I go like this. Turn the onion wheel, and they come out like diced. Then I take some ham up and do slits. My little toppings. I also have spinach. All right. You gotta check to make sure there's no cracked eggs in there. Some tomatoes, some onion, and some ham. Butter is love. Put as much as you like. And we're gonna let it go. Put the cheese.
Hello, yeah.
Hello. Pancakes. Some blueberries. Even though my client didn't request blueberries, put a few in some.
Mama, baby.
Say hello.
For the baby.
I don't know about y'all, but that looks pretty good to me. My first client's plate with a yogurt. My second client's meal coming soon. My second client's meal.
This is not a joke.